So in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract honey without having an extractor. You know, the thing expands, those are, okay, so you can use this if you don't have an extractor, or like something happens in your honeycomb. Okay, so this is honeycomb. It came off the frame, so you can't obviously just stick that in the extractor and spin it around. So this is a method to use if you don't have an extractor or you run into a situation like this. Okay, you don't necessarily, if you have bees, I didn't start off with an extractor. I think I went a year or two without an extractor before I got one. The things you do need for this, you will need a strainer. They make these in plastic and they make them in metal, okay? Then they fit on a 5-gallon bucket. You can buy the buckets, but I made my own. So I bought a 5-gallon bucket and put the spout on it, the honey spout, okay? And then you need somewhere to keep the wax, okay? So I'm gonna show you how this works. So this is called the crush and strain method. So all you have to do, all right, is get your honeycomb. I'm wearing gloves because this is going to be a sticky mess. I just bought cheap kitchen gloves. I washed them, you know, put them on, wash my hands. Something else is there's dead bees. Part of the beekeeping is there's dead bees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tear a piece off. Okay, the bees can still sting you, even though they're dead. I know. All right. So, okay, you ready? This is so hard. You just squash it. Just squash it in your hands. It's a sticky mess. Look at that. Okay. That is the method. Okay. And all you're doing is taking the wax and squeezing all of it out. Squeezing all the honey. Okay? And then you take, you know what you do with the wax ball? You drop it in there because it'll drain off. And what you end up with these little wax balls, okay? And they're hard. You just grab more comb and just squeeze. Yes, I used to do it. This is how we used to do it before we got an extractor. Okay? So after you do a couple of those, drop that in there. See, got honeycomb. Sorry, dead bees. Dead bees. Bees die in the process. It happens. So you try to, you know, so that is a way of extracting honey without having to buy an extractor. I'm going to show you something here. I wear gloves. You don't have to wear gloves. It's just a sticky mess. Okay? I'll show you something. Watch this. Honey pouring out of the strainer. Alright? So that is a way, like I said, to extract honey without having to buy an extractor. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this I got. Just wanted to share this little quick beekeeping tip with you. So I appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe. Follow us along on this journey. We do survival, bushcraft, self-reliance, and being ready. And obviously beekeeping and freeze drying. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, enjoy the outside. My gloves make fart noises.